guys! So we just finished our work. So papunta tayo ngayon sa Westfield, Fountain Gate. I'm gonna bring you guys sa ating ultimate purchase of the year. I think nabasa nyo naman sa ating title na today is gonna be the day that I will be purchasing my new camera. Just for context guys, I've been doing content creation for almost 7 years now. Hindi siya ganun ka-consistent, like every week tayo nakakapag-upload. But kahit pa paano naman may upload tayo every other week. For my main camera, I'm using Sony ZV-1 and I bought it like 5 years ago. For my action cam, I'm using GoPro Hero 8 and I bought it for like 7 years now, using 2 microphones and both of it is Boya brand. I also have one drone, DJI Mini 3, Mini 2. Basta yung maliit nila. Kalimutan ko na siya. And that's like 4 or 5 years ago. Sometimes I'm also using my phone to do vlog and I'm using Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Yeah, those are my gadgets. So I'm telling this guys because we're gonna be upgrading a new one. And this, I think, can help us to tell more better stories. One reason as well is that today is our departure day in the Philippines 2 years ago when we went here. So tomorrow is our 2nd year anniversary and I think I wanted to buy this gear to serve as a token of our 2nd year anniversary here in Australia. So I'm so excited for this purchase and tara, see you in Westfield, Fountain Gate. Alright, so guys, actually nakapasok na ako sa DJI. Tanong na ako kung magkano yung price. So it's gonna be 1,129 for the combo. So nagsi-sales stock tayo at the moment para makakuha tayo ng mga discounts pa. So tignan natin kung kaya ba ng powers natin. Sales stock tayo, meron silang product available. So ready sa maulit ngayon. Let's see kung mabubudol ba natin sila. So pauwi na kami sa bahay and we're gonna be doing unboxing. By the way, dito na yung ating addition to our vlogging family, guys. So mag-unboxing tayo. Tara, let's go! Alright, so nasa bahay na tayo and we're gonna do an unboxing of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and let's see kung ano yung mga nasa loob nito. Tara, let's go! Silicone. So this is the first one, guys. So meron siyang parang malit na bag so you can put your Osmo Pocket 3 dito. So sa loob, so we have the body, the Osmo Pocket 3, the extra battery. Ganito guys, and this is the microphone cables. So ito yung ilalagay mo sa taas ng microphone mo. We'll be putting it in here. Yep. And then, this is the protective casing. So this is where you put your Osmo Pocket 3. Yep. So the magnetic wide lens. And this is it's a clip magnet, guys. On the box, you will also receive this paper, the creator combo, the forum, the quick starter guide, and stickers. Yeah. Yep. That's it for this unboxing and I'm so excited to use this new camera sa ating mga future vlogs and contents. Hopefully this will give me more motivation and to share more stories to you guys and hopefully guys, naging masaya kayo sa vlog na yon. And if you wanna see more of my Osmo Pocket 3 experience, please comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin natin sa ating Osmo Pocket 3 or ano yung mga contents na gusto nyo makita using this Osmo Pocket 3. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell next to it para ma-update ka sa mga bagong vlogs kagaya nito. Yeah, I think this is the best time to end this vlog, and it's me again, Auntie Palaboy, ang pobreng lagan, saying explore because life is too short and be a responsible lagan. Till next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.